Oh, fuck. Big quake, big hit. All right, everyone chill.
Maybe we'll
Oh,
This was a big ass snowman.
it was something big. The quake was decent. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got it.
I believe.
Looks like he's getting in the weeds bad, though, damn it. Got him. Come on.
I think it's my
He's running.
largemouth. Oh no, what is that?
It's probably a northern. Damn it. I was hoping even for a little muskie today. Whoa, he wrapped around my leg. Holy crap.
Everly was like,
Woo!
wow. And then God absolutely.
You like that, Holden? All right, you guys, let's get going after this. That was a cool way to end it.
Like, oh, oh. Hello, butterfish. He just threw tiny pebbles at me and it actually hurt.
Jeez.
Are you okay? He's actually responding.
Here, Ron, wait. I want to get this on video. That's a cool release. All right, go ahead, buddy.
Wow, baby! Oh my god, no, not by me.
Good release, Ron. Good release. All right, let's ride out. That was a perfect ending. Good release, Rowan. All right, so I found out it's a horny head chub. Oh, dear. Oh, gosh. Yeah, we got to get a couple more keepers for the freezer. But Rowan, be nice. There you go. Good release, Jonas. Good mermaid release. Oh, there he goes. How am I not getting this dude? There we go. Got him.
Hey, can I release?
Yeah. Another parasitic frickin' perch.